A ticket lands in Linear in the morning. Before anyone has finished their coffee, a coding agent is already working on a pull request draft. That is exactly what GitHub Copilot now enables. It moves the most important team decision one step earlier. Who decides what the agent may do with the ticket? Since July 23rd, the Copilot Cloud Agent for Linear has been generally available. You can assign an issue directly to the agent. It reads the ticket content and works asynchronously in its own temporary development environment based on GitHub Actions. Then it opens a pull request draft. It reports progress back to the ticket activity. At the end, it requests a review. At first, this sounds like a convenient new start button. The bigger difference lies in the settings before it starts. For each ticket, you can set the model, custom agent, base branch, and working branch. A team can also steer the agent through comments while it runs. This turns a single Copilot chat into a controllable background job in the ticket system. In parallel, GitHub is testing further controls for agent automations in GitHub Issues. These include approvals, a confidence assessment, and a rationale for a proposed automation. That helps with triage, but it does not answer the security question. An approval in a workflow is not a permission boundary for a repository, branch, or production system. For teams, the sensible boundary is therefore quite concrete. Small, well-described bug fixes are a plausible starting point. Tickets with unclear requirements, large refactorings, or access to sensitive areas should not simply slip through. They still need a human who sharpens the assignment and takes responsibility for the code. There are no independent comparative tests of this new linear integration at launch. A productivity or code quality ranking would therefore be false precision. The feature scope is documented. Assign a ticket, let the agent work in the background, review the draft. Whether this saves time depends on ticket quality and how tightly you define the rules. The practical rule is this: first define the ticket classes that are allowed, then deliberately choose the model, agent, and branch. And review the pull request like a developer contribution, not like an automatically correct answer. Continue with the next video at the top right. You can follow at the bottom right.